Hey everybody, Zurifx here, and today I'm doing a bird box inspired look. I'm going to use a whole bunch of blues and mix them in, blend them in together. Bird Box is a movie on Netflix starring Sandra Bullock, and it was a very powerful couple of hours, or hour and a half, but it was really good. So I got inspired to paint. I'm using a split cake to cover my eye, adding some detail and more coverage. Using a little eyeshadow to give it a little depth, kind of like a 3D look. Now on my chest I'm adding a little demons all over my chest. Like the demons are staring into my soul or something. Awesome. Next, I am doing some detail to my eye, and I'm going to make my eye kind of creepy looking, using different yellows and oranges and reds. Trying to make my eye red, as though my eye's just very bloodshot or veiny. And some bleeding out my eyes. And a little bit more detail. And I'm all done. Thank you for watching. Zurifx. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And Sandra Bullock was a superhero, so that's why I put the purple wig on. Have a good day. Bye.